I'm mildly annoyed with the people that feel like soccer hate is forced. How do you feel like soccer hate is forced? Gang, she took more L's than W's. She fucking alright, she became useful at the end of the war, for real, for real. I ain't gonna lie, she became useful. But even in Boruto, the bitch is still useless. This bitch was born useless. This bitch been useless since the tuning exam. Every arc this bitch been useless. So even if she was able to get some mastery power at the end of all this shit, to me that don't make a bitch not useless. A useless bitch is still a useless bitch. Oh, I'm so strong. Gang, I'm pretty sure Naruto could have punched that rock when they went to find the hideout with Sasori and Deidara. I'm pretty sure Naruto could have broke that, but she needed a little spotlight. This shit not forced, gang. Sakura just ass. He just like Kiba, bruh.